Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to view your archived Facebook stories on your PC. If you've ever wanted to revisit your old stories, Facebook's archive feature makes it super easy to find them. Let's get started with the new and updated method. Step 1. First, open Facebook on your PC. Just go to the website and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open your profile. Step 3. After you click on your profile photo, you'll be taken directly to your profile page, where all your posts, photos, and stories are displayed. Step 4. Now, right next to your profile picture, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and a small menu will pop up. From the options in that menu, choose Story Archive. This will open your entire archive of stories, where you can view everything you've shared in the past. And that's it. You've now accessed your archived stories on Facebook. It's a great way to look back at your content, especially if you've shared a lot of stories over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates.